Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. Today's video is rather exciting as I'm gonna be reviewing the Ciaté X Hannah Martin collaboration. So this set just went live I think few days ago. So I think without any further ado, let's open up and see what we have. We have the illuminating blusher, illuminating powder highlighter, the 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask, the triple shot XXL mascara, stamp and drag eyeliner, love a kind eyeliners, and then this massive eyeshadow palette. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette, it says, I am a woman, what's your superpower? Okay, let's open up, let's see. It's brand new to me, by the way. Love it, it comes with a huge mirror, super handy. Let's take this plastic with. Oh my god, I love the shades. It has some mattes, it has some shimmers, glitters. To start with, I'm gonna go with a shade called Essay Coleman. I take universal base brush. So I'm gonna go with this highlighter. Just like this. Oh, that's my pigmented, you guys. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna take the darker shade, the Emmeline Pankhurst, and I'm gonna go with this shade on the same part, like in the corner of the crease part. Next shade I'm taking is the Mercury. I'm gonna go on the outer corners of this. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna go with this outer corners, just like this. Okay, we're gonna darken up the outer corner once we're gonna put the eyeliner, as this is what I always do. I find it way much easier. But what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use the concealer to clean this part so we can add the shimmer. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna use the concealer. I'm gonna take the eyeliner brush, this one is by Be Beauty, the eyeliner brows, some brush. As you see, I'm looking straight to the mirror, so it's higher than my creases. So this is good. So I'm just gonna clean this part off and go with the shimmer. Okay, I did a quick swatches of the shimmers. That's it is. I'm gonna go for the shade called Junko Taipei. Just gonna use my finger for that. It's very slowly to blend with that brush. So I'm going in the part where I applied this concealer. Look at this crease. Oh, ooh, hello, is this intense? Okay, guys, wowzers. Another thing we have in this set is this stamp and drag eyeliner. So basically it's a stamp eyeliner. I used some in my previous videos, not by Ciaté but other brands. It's amazing if you struggle to apply the eyeliner because you basically just, you know, stamp it on. As easy as that. Stamp and line duo. Let's open up, let's see what we have. So we have one side is a stamp and then the other side is the pen eyeliner. I said in my previous videos already, I spoke about this a lot. If you struggle with eyeliner, always use the eyeliner pen just because you're naturally used to using pen, so it's gonna be way much easier for you to apply rather than using the gel liner or liquid eyeliner. Because I have hooded eyes, so obviously it doesn't connect, but now this is the easier part because we're just gonna use the pen and kind of like dot to dot, you know, we just need to connect these. I'm coming back to this darker brown shade, Emmeline Pankhurst. What I'm doing, I'm going on the top of his eyeliner. I'm gonna do the inner eye corner with the eyeshadow and maybe the eyeliner. Once we're gonna have foundation and so on, let's apply the mascara, the triple shot extreme lengthening and volumizing fiber mascara. Okay, that sounds amazing. Love the way the brush looks. Oh my god, I love this mascara so far, guys. Absolutely love the shape of this mascara band. It catches all the smallest lashes, and it's perfect for the inner eye corner because the mascara end is huge. To catch these lashes in the inner eye corner is like a mission impossible. Alright, mascara is on. As you see, I did the foundation, a little bit of contour, so we can do the blush, highlighter, and then a lippy. This mascara though, this Triple Shot XXL mascara by Ciaté, oh my god, it has these fibers. I just hope you can see how long my lashes look now. This is insane. No need for falsies for sure if you're gonna go with this mascara, because I just hope you guys are able to see sideways. Can you see how long my lashes are now? This is crazy, right? Still have in here the blush, the highlighter, and then the lip product. Let's go with the blush first. Blush is called Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. Love the packaging. Super cute. Taking a super fluffy blush brush by Beauty for this. Gonna swirl around. Tap the axis on. And go slightly bit higher, not in the apples of the cheeks because I have big cheeks anyways. So I'm just gonna go on this part. In here. This looks pretty. Okay, loving this. Wow. I think this looks so pretty. Okay, time for the highlighter. Low 2 highlighter, illuminating powder highlighter in Moon Dust. So again, with that cute mirror in here. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. That's so pretty, right? Pure perfection. Okay, I'm gonna take for this the highlighter brush by Beauty. Okay, loving this. That looks absolutely amazing. Wow. Go a bit of the nose and nose bridge. Okay, let's highlight the brow arch and the tear duct. So for that I'm gonna use the Precision Detail brush by Beauty. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna finish the lower lash line. So for that, we're coming back to this I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower shadow palette. Gonna use a shade called Madame CJ Walker with the Universal Base brush. Gonna go with this shade all over the lower lash line. Coming back to the Stampin' Drag eyeliner, to the actual eyeliner part, and I'm gonna go and draw the eyeliner on the tear duct. Okay, let's apply the mascara on the lower lash line, and we're done with the eyes and just the lips left to do. So I'm coming back to the Triple Shot mascara. One more item left in this collection. This one is Disco Nap Lip Mask 2-in-1 Everyday Balm and Mask. Just gonna use my finger. Oh, that feels so moisturizing on my dry lips. We use basically all the products from this collection, and it feels like, you know, lips aren't finished. So what I've seen Hannah Martin actually doing is using the eyeshadow on the top of his lip balm to create the lippy, which I thought is genius. Why I never thought of this before? So I want kind of nude looking lippy, so I'm gonna go for Rue Bader Ginsberg. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it does actually look like a lippy. You guys. Okay. Wow, okay. Just taking more. I'm like surprised it actually looks like a lipstick. Like I might need the brush to so this can look more neat. It's not look so messy. You guys, this eyeshadow lippy hack. Oh my god, how come I never thought about this before? I mean, I used to use the eyeshadow instead of a colorful eyeliner when colorful eyeliners wasn't a thing and there were no really, you know, colorful eyeliners on the market. So I used to use I think I did even videos, I used to use the eyeshadow to do the colorful eyeliner, but I never thought about eyeshadow as a lippy on the top of a balm. Genius. Like, my mind is blowing now. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Products that I tried, I actually tried for the very first time in my life. I never tried any of these before. Eyeshadow palette, oh my goodness, you guys, this is a must-have. I mean, 24 shades, you get mattes, you get shimmers, which is perfect. The mascara, the balm, I mean, look how long my lashes looks. I just hope you guys see sideways how long it is because it has to be fiber. The eyeliner, it's a stamp, so if you struggle to apply the eyeliner, like the placing of the eyeliner or anything like this is gonna be your best friend. The highlighter, oh my god, this is perfect shade because it's not too cool, not too warm, so it would suit majority of the skin tones, I think. And just try for yourself. It looks amazing. The blush, to be honest with you, I am such a matte person when it comes to blushes or the contour. This does have a shimmer in it. It's a matte blush with a shimmer like swirl in it. Loving it. I mean, it looks amazing. I think you've seen me applying this. The lip balm, super moisturizing with the top of the eyeshadow. So I think this collection definitely worth your money because it's a total bargain. From me, it's a humongous thumbs up for this Ciaté London collaboration collection. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, as always, please don't forget to press a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. It's totally free, doesn't cost you a penny, won't hurt you, but will majorly support my channel. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, tag me in your pictures. I would absolutely love to see that. Honestly, guys, it makes my day when I see you recreating and makeup looks are done. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all of this collection. If you tried anything from Ciaté before, I'm gonna try and leave. Actually, I think I still have a discount code for Ciaté, so I'm gonna leave this in the description box so you guys can have probably money off this set as well. I'm not sure about it, but I'm gonna leave all the info in the description box so you guys can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye. Have a good day, guys. Ciao.